Hello friends, today I will tell you very useful setting about Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 11. You can make it in any version of Windows, which is very useful for you because it is sometime we are using task manager and some applications, and when we want to stay at top the task manager, it will when we click any other windows it will go background. Today I will tell you how to stay the task manager at top, always at top. This is very useful information because when we are using some critical applications or processing, then we want to monitor the processing of the system or utilization or any other monitoring of resources of our system. Friends, let's move to the configuration. Press the key on Control, Shift and Escape. Task Manager's window will open. You can also open Task Manager with some other methods. The 2 or 3 other methods from where we can open the Task Manager. Friends, if I open any other application like this, our Task Manager application go backside, and if I click on it, then it will stay at top. Otherwise, as soon as I click on any other icon or file, then our task manager will go backside. How to stay the task manager at top? Open it, go to options, option menu, then click on always on top. Friends, now here you see then always on top is selected, and now if we want to click any other file, it will stay at top, it will not go backside. Like if we click on this file, then task manager will always stay in front side, and we can resource of the more performance of our system like CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet and some other setting. So if you want to task manager always stay at top, you need to do only a one setting, which will help you throughout. This is very useful trick, and I think you will be very beneficial from this, and it will we can see it will be helpful for us. Friends, to see more good videos about configuration, information, installation, please like, subscribe my channel so you can receive very informative videos from my channel. Okay, bye.